hot stuff right there. "200-degree heat. Not really needed on a driveway like this, but it does help. This one's got bad lichens and moss and algae and all kind of stuff. So 200-degree heat. Look at that steam just pouring out of there. Very nice. You see Steven with his floppy hat. He does not get out of the truck without that hat. He doesn't like the sun. Can't say I blame him. Look at that thing clean. Dang. Man, that second pass, it really makes a difference. I don't care what anybody says, but doing this makes a big difference. Look how much cleaner it's coming on that second pass with him. So much cleaner. Stunning. Stunning stunner. I'll just let you go by one more time while I film it.